We're just gonna scatter them along the bottom of this thing. Okay, now that we have those on the bottom, we're gonna come over here to our skillet. We got some Tennessee Pride country sausage here. We're gonna get this cooked up. All right, we got that nice and cooked up. Okay, so let's come back over to our biscuits that we've quartered up. And we're gonna put the majority of this sausage over the top of these biscuits. We're not gonna do all of it, but majority of it. We gotta save some of it for the gravy, which I'm gonna show you how to make in a second. Last little bit, and we'll save that last little bit for the gravy. Get that smoothed over. We have the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna put it in there for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, now while that is in the oven, we're gonna start making our gravy. So like I said, we left some of this country sausage in there that's gonna go with the gravy. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of butter in there, let it get nice and melted. All right, now that we have our butter melted in there, we're gonna take some all-purpose flour. We're gonna put in 4 tablespoons. Okay, once you get that in there, let's get that stirred together. Just for a few minutes, you wanna get it kind of mixed. Once that's cooking on there for a few minutes, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Put the salt in there. Add some pepper. And we're gonna throw some garlic in there. Mix that for just a second. We got those seasonings mixed together, and we're gonna put in 2 cups of whole milk. Now, once you have your milk in there, you're gonna wanna get your whisk out and start to whisk this together. I have it on medium to high heat right now. So you're just gonna wanna constantly kind of be whisking it as it thickens. All right, we got it thickening up in there. Got it to a nice little boil. So once you hit that point, you can put the heat down. Continue to stir it up so it doesn't get burnt on there. And then once those biscuits are ready, we're gonna pour this thing over it. All right, let's get some biscuits and gravy out. Ooh, baby. Oh my goodness, look at that rain.
Wow.
Purple rain. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's like a perfect golden brown too. All right, y'all, so while it's still hot, let's put some of that thick gravy over it. Okay, once you got it all on there, just give it a nice spread over the top. Ooh, that is looking good. Are you a gravy man, Rain?
Yes, sir.
Who is it? All right, we're gonna let this cool down for just a minute and we come back and try it. All right, let's give this a try. Look at that. Ooh, baby, smoky. I didn't wait that long, honestly, y'all, to try this because I feel like I want to get it while it's fresh and hot. Let's get all. Ooh, so good. This goes out to you, Meemaw.